Hey everybody, here at JC Movement Co., the new gym in Johnson City. I'm gonna let them introduce themselves, tell them a little bit about our partnership.
I'm Beth, this is Sydney.
Hi, we are so excited to be partnered with Smash Meals. We just opened up to downtown Johnson City last week. You'll have to come check us out. We do a little bit of everything. We've got yoga, we've got group fitness, we've got 24-hour access facility, and now we are going to be featuring meal prep in-house as well. So come check it out.
All right, and all new members are gonna get a $25 gift card to Smash Meals. So come check out this beautiful and amazing gym, and I promise you will not be upset. I wanna just quickly show y'all, this is the inside of their personal training gym. And then right down the hall is the 24-hour gym. Right here is the yoga studio. And then through there is their childcare, showers, bathrooms. I promise you're gonna love it. JC Movement Co., come on down.